Hi guys! Welcome back to Franchise Republic, your franchise business central hub. In this video, we are going to feature But First Coffee franchise business package ideas. But First Coffee BFC is a coffee shop business offering best tasting coffee for anyone looking for a good cup of coffee anytime, anywhere. During the pandemic, a time when the world stood still, when so many businesses have to shut down and close for good, their founders saw an opportunity amidst the crisis and started a digital coffee shop now known as But First Coffee. BFC prides itself in being a brand that aims to help everyone. As a small business, they wanted to help the local farmers by buying their products. With it, they were able to formulate an affordable, high-quality coffee, thus using it to help create employment opportunity in a time when people are losing their jobs. Fast forward a year, BFC has also been featured in numerous vlogs and blogs, has seen raving reviews from well-known influencers and countless of regular customers. By the end of 2022, they aim to have a branch in strategic locations that can cater business districts and residential, commercial areas of Metro Manila and other major cities in the country. They have reached 71 branches in a span of 2 years and still counting. Their mantra, good coffee doesn't have to be expensive. Their mission, to provide affordable but high-quality coffee for everyone. Their vision, they aim to expand to every major city, business district, and residential areas in Metro Manila by end of 2023. Prime tourist spots of the country such as Baguio, La Union, Coron, Siargao, El Nido by 2025, and hopefully help the flag of Filipino coffee beans fly high outside the country by 2030. BFC Products. BFC Products revolves around coffee and their recently launched milk-based series drinks for non-coffee lovers. Bestsellers are Vietnamese and Spanish latte, but there are other flavors which customers can always choose from, depending on their mood, cravings such as drip-based, Barako beans, and espresso-based Arabica beans. BFC also has pastries, sandwiches, and snacks that can be perfectly paired with any of their coffee flavor. For the product pricing, their product range is from 55 pesos to 460 pesos. BFC aims to let coffee and pastries be accessible and attainable for everyone without compromising its quality. BFC is one of the most affordable coffee shops within the metro. For their promotion, they promote at Facebook and Instagram ads with free delivery service and seasonal promos. BFC's marketing activities are currently focused on social media ads, free deliveries, and seasonal promos such as collaborations with other businesses, coffee bundles, and combos. As a franchisee, you can also create your own promotion. Just follow the head office to get your promo approved. Why BFC? Number 1. Business is continuously growing and expanding. Number 2. Demand for coffee is high. Business is considered as essential. Number 3. Business is continuously growing and expanding bigger market reach with their free delivery service. For the franchise packages. Number 1. Premium Cart. The initial investment is worth 672,000 pesos. This comprise for the premium card worth 600,000 pesos plus the 12% VAT which is 72,000 pesos. For the franchise inclusions, mobile card. with a maximum space of 6 square meters. Additional charges applies if it exceeds. The franchise term is 3 years, franchisee training, operations manual, use of business name and logo, opening marketing assistance, food delivery app, applications assistance, POS for the first 6 months, supplies and accessories, basic equipment, 50,000 pesos worth of stock credits, and free orientation on business and government permits application. Package number 2, Customized Store. The initial investment is worth 280,000 pesos. It is consist of the customized store worth 250,000 pesos plus the 30,000 pesos which is the 12% VAT. Note, the construction cost is care of the franchisee. For the franchise inclusions, franchise fee term is 3 years, franchisee training, operations manual, use of business name and logo, opening marketing assistance, food delivery app application assistance, POS first to 6 months, supplies and accessories, basic equipment, 30,000 pesos worth of stock credits, and free orientation on business and government permits application. For the application procedure, to apply, just follow these steps. Number 1, download and fill up a copy of the franchise application form on their website. Number 2, please make sure to fill out the form completely. Number 3, prepare a proposal containing the following documents: letter of intent containing the exact address of your proposed site, your exact mailing address, contact numbers, etc. Include pictures and directions of the proposed site. Also include concept pictures of the coffee shop that you envision, and also a detailed resume. Number 4, email the franchise application form, letter of intent, and other references to franchise@butfirstcoffee.ph. For the partner onboarding, initial discussion, BFC and franchisee meeting, presentation of business model and provision of proposal, area reservation. If the exact address is not final yet, prospect franchisee can settle a reservation fee to secure the area for 90 days. Contract signing, BFC and franchisee signs the mutual agreement. Order processing, BFC starts processing the stocks and equipment for upcoming branch. Delivery, BFC delivers all necessary stocks and equipment. Training, BFC trains the team for the upcoming branch. Go live, new BFC branch is ready to accept orders. For the frequently asked questions. Question number 1. How much is the initial investment? Answer: ranges from 800,000 pesos to 1 million pesos, including construction cost, equipment, initial stocks, and such. Question number 2. What is the required floor area? Answer: they are not strict with the size. At least 20 square meter for the staff to move is doable. Question number 3. Who will provide the manpower? Answer: franchisees will be outsourcing the staff, but franchisors may guide or help franchisee where and how to find leads. Question number 4. How many staff is needed on day-to-day operations? Answer: on an operating day, at least 1 OIC, 1 barista, 2 riders to cover more areas, plus social media specialist for online orders. Question number 5. How do we manage the drivers? Do we have to buy motors for them? Answer: what you can do is to hire someone with motorcycle and have delivery incentives and rewards. Question number 6. How does the free delivery service work? Answer: the free delivery service scheme works when they plot the exclusive territory of a branch. This is 1 kilometer radius from the branch point. All covered areas inside this radius are basically the branch primary market. Question number 7. How long does it take for the branch to operate after signing the contract? Answer: based on the operating branches, they have estimated time for a branch to go live at around 1 month or 2. This depends on the construction or contractor's timeline as well. For the contact details, you may contact Bat First Coffee, Unit 218, Cityland 8, Pio del Pilar, Makati City, Philippines. You may contact their mobile numbers 0928-521-0739, 0917-814-8736. You may send them an email at franchiseinquiries@batfirstcoffee.ph. You can also visit their website at www.batfirstcoffee.ph. You can also visit their Facebook page at batfirstcoffeeph. What are you waiting for? Start your business with a franchise of Bat First Coffee today. Thank you for watching. Hope you like this video. Please continue to support our channel. Please subscribe, like, and share this video for you to be informed on our next educational videos here at Franchise Republic, your franchise business central hub.